Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you know, I'm back with another video. I decided to make some stuffed jalapeno poppers in an egg roll. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the honors. This is my egg roll. I made quite a few, so y'all ready? All right, let's go. Here's the reveal. Okay. I wasn't expecting this. This is so good.
Dang! You got cheese like me?
Like the pepper, because I removed the seeds, is not spicy. So if you're thinking that it's gonna turn out spicy because it's a jalapeno pepper, you thought wrong. This is perfect. This is a perfect appetizer for all your birthday parties, any events that you have, or just a girls' night out, or even just, you know, you want to have something before dinner, or even on a game night. This is perfect. The jalapeno actually cooked down, so it's soft, as you will see later on. But this is amazing. Oh my gosh, I should have made it. I forgot to make a dipping sauce, y'all. It doesn't need it, but it would be perfect with like a, I don't even know yet, but I'll leave it down in the comments below. If you guys want to see how I did it, make sure you guys tune in and check it out. It ain't soul food if it ain't soul's food. You gotta put love into your food, all right? And that's what I do. I make love to my food. This right here was made with love.
So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications for every time I post a new recipe.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. I know. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling.
So you're gonna clean out the inside of the lobster, clean out this vein that's going within. And then I'm gonna chop this up, and then I'm going to place this into my crab mixture. I'm gonna chop this up, season this out, and throw this in the pan.